Yeah, good afternoon, girls.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good
Yeah, let's get started.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, Satakshi. Good afternoon, Deepti. Good afternoon, Ovia. Good afternoon, Thania.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Very good. All right, children. So today is a different concept. Let's learn how to find the area of composite figures. Composite figures meaning a figure made up of two or more figures. A figure made up of two or more plane figures. Okay. So see this one. Now we need to find the area of this figure. One second. This figure in A. All right. Now, so you need to now this figure you need to you can use line segments and make this figure into rectangles and squares, or only rectangles or only squares. So see here. Let me join. Let me take a line segment like this. So this one becomes a rectangle. This becomes a rectangle. Let me take another line segment like this. Anyways, so supposing like this. All right. So you can see here, I have divided this whole figure into 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. By using line segments, by closing the figures, some figures are open. So by closing the figures using line segments, we have divided this plane figure into 4 rectangles. Let me do it again for you. So close this using a line segment. See, this one has 3 sides. So we take a 4th side like this and we complete the rectangle. So you can see a rectangle here. Then this line with the help of this line segment, we are able to complete this rectangle. With the help of this line segment, we are able to complete this rectangle. And now the 4th rectangle is automatically completed. So by using line segments in certain places wherever you need, we divide this whole figure into 4 rectangles. Now the area of the whole figure is equal to area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2 plus area of rectangle 3 plus area of rectangle 4. So we need to find the area of rectangle 1, area of rectangle 2, area of rectangle 3, and area of rectangle 4. And we know the formula to find the area of a rectangle is L into B. If it is a square, then it is side into side. Now, how do we make out if the plane figure is a rectangle or a square? If the length and breadth are equal, it is a square. If the length is 4 centimeters, the breadth is also 4 centimeters. Then it is a square. If the length is 4 centimeters and the breadth is 3 centimeters, or if it is different, it's not 4, then it is a rectangle. If the length and breadth are equal, it is a square. If the length and breadth are not equal, it is a rectangle. Okay. So to find the areas of these 4 rectangles, we need to know their dimensions. We need to know the length and the breadth of the 4 rectangles. So let's find them. Okay, now see here. Now let me tell you what these measures mean. The length of this line segment is 3 units. Okay, it's given that the measures are given in centimeters. So 3 centimeters. It's given here. The measures are given in centimeters. So 3 meaning 3 centimeters. Okay, so what is 3 centimeters? The length of this line segment is 3 centimeters. The length of this line segment is 4 centimeters. The length of this line segment is 3 centimeters. The length of this line segment is 4 centimeters. The length of this line segment is not known. We have to find then. If it is not known, you have to find it. You have to find it. The length of this line segment is also not known. Then you have to find it. The length of this line segment is 1 centimeter. The length of this line segment is 3 centimeters. The length of this line segment is 2 centimeters. The length of this line segment is 2 centimeters. Now we do not know the length of this line segment and this line segment. Okay, fine. So now when we join, so this is, we just try to understand the figure. We just try to understand the figure. We went through all the lengths and we understood what is given and what is not given. That's all. Now let's get the first rectangle by taking this line segment. Okay, so I call this rectangle 1. Now what is the question is, what is the length? What is the length of this rectangle? Okay, what is the length of this rectangle? So now for that, what is the total length? What is the total length here? What is this total length? This one is, we know that in a rectangle, whether it is a rectangle or a square, the opposite sides are equal. We know that whether it is a rectangle or a square, the opposite sides are equal. Okay, so now when you join this one, when you join this, if this is 3 centimeters, this one is also 3 centimeters. This is also 3 centimeters. Okay, because this is 3 centimeters. When you join this, the opposite side, this is also 3 centimeters. So now the length of this full line segment, this full thing will be 3 plus 4, 7 centimeters. 3 plus 4, 7 centimeters. Now, similarly, when you join this one, yes?
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. Ma'am, you
Yeah.
told in a rectangle the two sides are equal, right, ma'am?
In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal.
Yes,
In both,
ma'am.
yeah.
But in the fourth one, ma'am, in the fourth box, they have given
Yeah.
4 in one side and 3 in another side, ma'am.
Yeah. So that's what I told you, the length of this one is 4. This full thing is 4. This is 4. This one is 3. This is 4. See here, can you see? This full thing is 4. We have connected it like this. So what is given in the original figure, see here? That's what we studied, the lengths given from here to here is 4 centimeters. This full thing is 4 centimeters. From here to here, this one is 3 centimeters. From here, so this is longer. This is longer than this one. So when you join like this, the opposite sides are equal. So the opposite side here is 3. So that one goes to this one. That remaining 1 centimeter is the length of this line segment. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So I said join this one. We need to find for rectangle 1, we need to find the length and breadth. Okay. So this is rectangle 2. So this is rectangle 3. And this is rectangle 4. So as I told you, in a rectangle, in both a rectangle and a square, opposite sides are equal. Now I was telling you that this is 3 centimeters. If this is 3, this is also 3. This is also 3. So this is 3 centimeters. So now the full thing is 3 plus 4, 7 centimeters. 3 plus 4, 7 centimeters. So if this full thing is 7 centimeters, 3, see here, from here to here it is 3, and from here to here it is 4. So totally it is 7 centimeters. So that means now in rectangle 3, opposite sides are equal. In rectangle 3, opposite sides are equal. So from here to here, if it is 7 centimeters, from here to here also it will be 7 centimeters. It will be 7 centimeters. See here, from here to here will be 7 centimeters. But from here to here, it is 2 centimeters. So this one will be 5 centimeters. Now, again, in rectangle 2, opposite sides are equal. So the length of this full thing from here to here is 5 centimeters. From here to here is 5 centimeters. But from here to here is 3. So the remaining the length of the remaining line segment will be 2 centimeters. So the length of rectangle 1 is 2 centimeters. We'll do it again. See, first we need to understand the dimensions, the lengths given. From here to here is 3 centimeters. This one is 3 centimeters. The length of this line segment is 3 centimeters. The length of this line segment is 4 centimeters. This one is not known. This is also not known. See, this, it's not 31. It's not 31. This one is 1 centimeter. And the length of this line segment is 3 centimeters. This is 3. This one is 2. The length of this line segment is 2. This one is also 2. This one is 4. See here, this is shorter. This is 3. This is longer. This is 4. So this is what is given to us. So I'm repeating. So we are dividing the whole figure into 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So this one is a rectangle. This one is a rectangle. Okay, actually, see, when I say rectangle, it can also be a square. Now here, this one is more precisely a square because I told you when the length and breadth are equal, you can see that the length is 3 centimeters, the breadth is also 3 centimeters. So it's a square. When the length and breadth are equal, it is a square. So you should understand that every square is a rectangle. Every rectangle need not be a square. Okay, so figure 4, the plane figure 4 is a square because length is 3 centimeters, breadth is also 3 centimeters. So figure 4 is a square. Length is 3, breadth is 3. Because the length is equal to the breadth, it is a square. Okay, so this is 3 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters. But this full thing is 4 centimeters. But we know that opposite sides are equal. So this one is 3 centimeters, but the full thing is 4, no? So from here to here it is 3. So this remaining portion will be 1 centimeter. Is this understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now for figure 4, we know the length and breadth. For figure 4, which is a square, the length and the breadth both are equal, 3 centimeters. Now, when you look at rectangle 3, what is the length of the rectangle? What is the length of rectangle 3, children? Rectangle 3, what is the length?
7 centimeter.
7 centimeter, because this is the length and we know that opposite sides are equal. So this one is 3. From here to here is 3. From here to here is 3. And from here to here it is given it's 4. So 4 plus 3 is 7 centimeters is the length of rectangle 3. See, this is the length of rectangle 3. From here to here is 4 is given. And this one is 3 because opposite sides are equal. So it's 3. So 4 plus 3, 7 is the length of rectangle 3. The breadth of rectangle 3, can we see here? It's 1 centimeter, correct? The breadth of rectangle 3, can we see here? It is 1 centimeter, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So the opposite side will also be 1 centimeter right now.
Yeah, this also will be 1 centimeter. This also will be 1 centimeter. And in this rectangle, this full thing will be 7 centimeter. This full opposite side. So this one is 7 centimeter. This is also 7 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. This is 7. This full thing is 7. So this is also 7. This full thing is 7. This is 1 and this is also 1. Opposite sides in both rectangle and square are equal. In a square, all the sides are equal. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So now we know that the length of rectangle 3 is 7 centimeters and its breadth is 1 centimeter. Now rectangle 2, this is the length. From here to here is the length. For rectangle 2, the length is from here to here. Okay, so what is this full thing? How much is the full length, children? 7 centimeters. This full thing is 7. And 2 gone here, minus 2 here. So the length will be 7 minus 2, 5 centimeters. Correct?
So is it 16 centimeters?
What is 16?
Ma'am, is it
Okay,
16?
so are you telling me the final answer?
No, ma'am, for the third one.
No, let me finish it over here. Okay, so for rectangle 2, we need to find the length and breadth. Breadth is visible here, 2 centimeters. Breadth is visible here. Breadth is visible here, it is 2 centimeters. For the second rectangle, this is rectangle 2. You can see here the breadth is 2 centimeters. The length will be, this full length is 7. This full length is 7. So this one fully is 7. This one is fully 7. So subtract 2 here. Subtract 2 here. So this will be 5. This will be 5. It's like you cut off 2 centimeters. See, this is 3. This full thing is 7. This full thing, this is 3. This is 7. And this full thing is 7. But 2 gone here. Subtract 2. So 7 minus 2, 5. 5 will be the length of rectangle 2. 5 will be the length of rectangle 2. And the breadth is already there, 2 centimeters.
Ma'am,
And
why
now
should we subtract 2, ma'am?
Yeah. What is the length from here to here? What is this length?
7, ma'am.
7. So what is the length from here to here?
7, ma'am.
Because opposite sides are equal, correct? Opposite sides are equal. Now, when we are talking about rectangle 2, when we talk about rectangle 2, from here to here is the length, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But what is 7 centimeters? From here to here is 7. From here to here is 7. But we want only the length of this portion. We want the length of only this portion. So that will be 7 minus 2, which is 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Similarly, for rectangle 1, since we know that this is 5 centimeters, we know that this is 5. For rectangle 1, we know that this is, sorry, for rectangle 2, we know that the length is 5 centimeters and the breadth is 2 centimeters. Length is 5, breadth is 2. So that means this is also 5 centimeters. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So this is also 5. This is also 5. But for rectangle 1, from here to here, this is the length. This is the length. For rectangle 1, this is the length. But the full thing is 5. So 5 minus 3, this is 2. So the length of rectangle 1 is 2 centimeters. See here? Opposite sides are equal. We got this is 5. So from here to here, this is also 5. From here to here is 5. Somebody's mic is enabled. Disable your mic. This is 5. So that means opposite sides are equal. This full thing is 5. But for rectangle 1, this is the length. This is the length. This full thing is 5. This full thing is 5. This is 3. So 5 minus 3, this will be 2. So the length of rectangle 1 is 2 centimeters and the breadth is already known, 1 centimeter. The breadth is already known, 1 centimeter. So like this, we need to divide the figure into rectangles and squares. It's very simple. You just have to divide or split the figure into rectangles and squares by using line segments. Use line segments and divide the figure into rectangles and squares and mark off how many figures you've got. Now here we got 4 figures. 4 plane figures we got. So we'll have to find the areas of each figure. Area of figure 1, 2, 3, and 4 and add all the 4 areas to find the area of the given figure, the whole figure. Is that understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let me tell you how I've, okay, so here I've done it in a different way. Fine. Write down, children. Write the answer now. Please write down. Try to draw the figure as neatly as possible.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what about that assignment you gave before?
Yeah. This is the assignment only. See here. That's what I'm doing. I'll tell you. It's here. Oh, which assignment?
Ma'am, the box that you've given, the yellow box, the yellow diagram for
All right.
area and
Yeah. Please
perimeter.
remind me. We'll discuss that now. Yes.
Yes.
We'll discuss these two answers, that is A and B, and we'll discuss the answers to the assignment. Yes. Thanks for reminding me, Deepthi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We'll do that. We'll do that. Please remind me again. Once we finished A and B, kindly remind me about the assignment.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write the answer in the format you're writing it.
Yeah. This is the answer. Yes. Write down the question. First, draw the figure A, and then this is the solution. Let me know, children, once you finish writing.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, others?
Ma'am, just a minute, I'm still writing.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I completed.
yeah, okay.
Oh, I'm done.
Yeah. Fine. Let's try the second one now. Now I'm going to no, let's do the first one in a different way. Let's see if you can help me find the dimensions. Yeah. So see, you can use line segments and make less or more rectangles and squares. Not that all of you will get 4 or the same number of rectangles by join using line segments. So now for the same figure A, you can divide the figure into rectangles and squares like this. Now Tanya, now let me 1, 2, 3, 4. Tanya, tell me the dimensions of region 1, the length and breadth.
Ma'am, should I find out, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So Tanya, what is the length of the line segment from here to here? What is the length?
From 4, ma'am.
4. What's the length of the line segment from here to here?
From 3, ma'am.
Now, if this is 3, the opposite side from here to here also will be 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this one is 3. This one is 3. Correct? But the full
Yes,
thing is
ma'am.
4. See here. The full thing is 4. The full thing is 4. This one is 3. So how much should this be then?
I can't understand.
No problem. Yes, yes. I'll tell you till you understand. Now, 1 minute. Do you understand that the length from here to here is 4 centimeters? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, my question is, see here. Okay. So from here to here is 3 centimeters. Is that clear, Tanya?
Yes, ma'am.
So the opposite side from here to here will also be 3. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, there is this remaining part. No, there is this remaining part. It is given that the length from here to here is 4 centimeters, isn't it? From here
Yes,
to
ma'am.
here is 4 centimeters, isn't it? Now we already have 3 here. So what should be the length of the remaining portion?
1, ma'am.
1. Is it okay now? Somewhat understood
Yes.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you should not get confused because the 4 is written here. Because the 4 is written here, you shouldn't think that this is 4. Because the 4 is written here, you should not think that this is 4. I told you in the beginning itself, which one is 4? From where to where is 4? From here to here is 4. That's why 4 is written here. From here to here is 4. We have put this line like this here. Just because we draw a line, this one from this one cannot become 4. In the given figure, in the figure given originally, when this line was not there, this full thing is only 4. Okay. So I hope it's somewhat okay now. So now this is 3. So this one is 3. So the remaining portion here will be 1. So now, Tanya, what is the length and breadth of the region 1, which is a square?
Ma'am, 3.
Region 3 is the length, 3 centimeters the length, and breadth
3 centimeters, ma'am.
3 centimeters. So what will be the area?
3 into 3 units, square units.
3 into 3. Yeah, that is 9 centimeters square, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Tanya, if this is 3 centimeter, the opposite side, this also will be 3 centimeters, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is that part clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Tanya. Deepti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now tell me the 1 second. I'm getting a call. Just a second.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, children. Yes, sir. Now, Deepthi, please continue. For rectangle 2, help me find the length and breadth of rectangle 2. And remember, the rectangle 2 was only from, see, this is rectangle 2. Let me darken that region. This is rectangle 2. This is rectangle 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, are you there?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. You're not talking silent anymore.
You want me to repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I want you to find the dimensions of rectangle 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem, children. So I think since we're just, learning this concept for the first time, I'll help you. Okay, so when we try many figures like this, it will become easy. Don't worry. Now see here, the length of this rectangle, rectangle 2. Can you see that this is 2 centimeters? This one is 2 centimeters.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we see that this is 3 centimeters because opposite side, this one is 3. So this also will be 3. This one is also 3. So then isn't it 2 plus 3, 5?
Yes, ma'am. The length is 5.
No. Yeah, see here, children, all of you see here, this one, this length, this one is 2. And you can see that this opposite side, this is not given to be 3, but the opposite side here, it's 3. So this also will be 3. This also will be 3. So this length is 2 plus 3, 5 centimeters. And the breadth is right here, 1 centimeter. The breadth is right here. Not clear? Shall I do it again?
Ma'am, it is clear, ma'am.
Okay, see here, I'm saying this is the length. See, either you can find this length or this length, anything, whichever is comfortable to find. So this length is, it's 2 here. And from here to here, it is 3 because here we can see this is 3. So this one is 3 and this one is 2. So the total length will be 2 plus 3, 5 centimeters. So the length is 5 centimeters. And the breadth we can see here, 1 centimeter. See, this is the rectangle we're talking about. Rectangle 2 is this rectangle. 5 centimeters and 1 centimeters. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Length is equal to 5 centimeters and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. So area is equal to L into B, which is 5 centimeters square. Now coming to rectangle 3. I think that is easy. You can help me with the length and breadth of region 3. Which is region 3? Yeah, this is region 3, children. This is region 3. See here? This is region 3.
Can I tell the answers for that?
Yeah, tell me, Ovia.
Ma'am, the line below 3 is also 3, ma'am.
Correct.
And the line opposite to 2 is also 2, ma'am.
Correct. So what is the length?
Ma'am, the length is 3, ma'am.
Breadth?
2, ma'am.
So what's the area?
6, ma'am.
Yeah. Because this one is 3 centimeters. You can see it here. This is 3, so this is also 3. Length is 3. And the breadth is 2. The breadth is 2. And finally, for figure 4, identify the rectangle or the square correctly. Only then you can find the dimensions correctly. This is rectangle 4. So we need to find the length and breadth of this rectangle. It's very clumsy, so I'll just do it again. Yeah. Now we need to find the length, this one, the length and the breadth of rectangle 4. We already found this is 1. Yes, children. So how do we find this length, this one, this one? How much is it from here to here, children?
Ma'am,
1.
I think it's ma'am for the bread, I think it is 4 centimeter, ma'am.
Yeah, you're right. But can you tell me how you got that?
Ma'am, because below also it is 4 and above also it is 4 because they two have the same length.
Meaning you're saying this one, huh? This is 4.
Which one, ma'am?
No, 1 second. Let me put my question clear. This is the rectangle we are talking about. Are you telling me that this is 4 or this is 4? Which one is 4? The length, the breadth?
Ma'am, I'm telling the breadth, ma'am.
Breadth is 4 centimeters. Yeah, how?
Ma'am, because the length is also 4 centimeters and breadth should also be because like two of them have the same length, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll just tell you how it is, and then you see if you know also had the same thing in your mind. So children, it's like this. This is 1 centimeter. This one is 1. And this one is here, that is this portion. This one is 1 centimeter. And this one is 2 because opposite side is 2. So this one is 2. And this one is 1 because opposite side, this one is 1. So the total length is 1 plus 2 plus 1. Just get the length from the opposite sides. Get the length from the opposite sides. I'll do it again. 1 second. See here. This one is 1 centimeter. This one, we don't know, but it's here. Opposite sides are equal. So this is 2. So from here to here is 2. And this portion, again, because opposite sides are equal, it's 1. You get it from different rectangles. Okay. Yeah. So to find this one, we get this part from 1 from here. This is 1. This is 1, it's given. We need to find, oh, was it like this, children? No, it was not like this, sorry. I didn't do this. I did this. Yeah. Okay, so we're talking about this one. So this length is 1. This one, see, this is 1. This one is 1. This one is 2 because opposite sides are equal. This is 2. So from this rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. This is 2. And now from this rectangle, because opposite sides are equal, this is 1. So this one is also 1. So this is 1. This one is 2. And this is 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4 centimeters is the breadth. The breadth is 4 centimeters. Now the length. Length meaning this one, the length. We know that this full thing is 4 centimeters. This full thing is 4 centimeters. We need to find this alone. How much is this alone? Yeah, think. That's it. Once we find area of 4, add and get the total area. Okay. So children, tell me what is this total length, children? What is this total length from here to here? What is the total length, children, from here to here? Tell me. Isn't this 3, children? Isn't this 3?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be 7 centimeters.
So it will be 7, correct. So it's 7. The total line, the length of this line segment is 7. Now, what is the length from here to, so what is the length from here to here? The length of this line segment. Isn't this 2 and this 3?
Yes, ma'am, it will be 5 centimeters.
So it will be 5. So what will be the length of this remaining portion?
Ma'am, 2.
Oh, so you cannot present all this. You should just do it in your mind and give the answer like this in the form of a table. You cannot show how you have calculated. That becomes very clumsy. The teacher also cannot understand. Meaning, it's like there's so much of adding and subtracting, no? So you don't have to show the calculations. You just have to write the length and breadth directly. I'll tell you again. Just a second, children. Yeah, children. So I was telling you that. Okay. So see, this full thing is 7 because this is 3, this one is 3, and this one is 4. 4. So 4 plus 3, 7. And how much is this? So this also will be 7. Supposing this is a rectangle, you know, this is a rectangle. Then opposite side, this is also 7. This full thing is 7. 3 plus 4, 7 this is. But how much is it from here to here? This is 2 and this is 3. This is 2, this is 3. Then this should be what? 2, right? Then only it will be 7. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. And this is 4 plus 3, 7. This one is 4 plus 3, 7. So the opposite side also should be 7. We have 2 here. We have 3 here because opposite sides are equal. Then this remaining line segment, 3 plus 2, 5. So this has to be 2 because then only it will total to 7. So the length of the fourth rectangle, is 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. The length is 2 centimeters because the full thing is 7. The full thing is 7, but from here to here it is 5. This full thing is 7. This is 7. Then that means this also should be 7. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, no? So this also should be 7. But this is 2. So in 7, you have 2 here and 3 here. So in 7, you have 5. The remaining 2 is here. This one. This is 2. So for the fourth figure, okay, so this is our fourth figure. This is the length, which is 2. And this is the breadth. This is the breadth. And how much is the breadth? This is 1. This is 2. And this is 1. I showed you this earlier. This is 1. And this one is 2. And this one is 1 because opposite sides, 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 centimeters. So the area is 2 into 4, 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters square. So the total area of the figure, the total area of the given figure, or the figure, whatever. Total area of the given figure is equal to 9 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8. So it is 9 plus 5 is 14, 28 centimeters square. What was the answer we got earlier, children? Yes.
Ma'am, it was
Yeah.
20.
Did we get the same answer earlier or a different answer?
Same answer.
Same answer. So however you divide it, you if you find the dimensions carefully, you will all get the same answer. Each one of you will have a different, if this figure is given to you and you're asked to find the area, each one of you will have a different idea to divide the figure into rectangles and squares. All of you might not think of the same thing. You might have different ideas, but the area of the figure is one answer. We cannot get different answers. So even if you divide the figure in different ways, the total area will be the same. The area of the individual regions, 1, 2, 3, 4, that might be different because you have divided it differently. But the total area of the figure will be the same. All of us will get 28 centimeters squared. Is that understood, children? So like this, you can do variations. You can divide it in different ways. Now take down this. You can just say alternate working and take down this.
Ma'am, should we draw it again?
Yes, because we have divided it differently, no? You must draw it again. What you see on the screen now, please write down. What you see now, you must write down. Let me know, children, once you finish writing.
Ma'am, I have finished.
Yeah. Finish writing, all of you?
Ma'am, almost done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay, good. Can I clear the screen, children? Shall we do the next one?
1 second, ma'am.
Secure. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you said yes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, the second one will be very easy for you. Okay, so you can again divide this the figure in B in different ways. Let me first do it like this. Okay, let me first do it like this. So now by using line segments here and here, we are able to get. Sorry?
Should we note it down?
No, let me explain, then you can note it down. I'll tell you when you have to start writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So by using line segments here and here, you're able to complete this figure. You're able to divide this figure into three rectangles: rectangle 1, rectangle 2, and rectangle 3. So now this is a rectangle. This is rectangle 3. This is rectangle 1. And this is rectangle 2. Now, children, what is the total length from here to here?
Ma'am, 5 centimeter, ma'am.
So what will be the total length like from here to here? What will be this full thing from here to here?
Ma'am, I think the same, ma'am. 5, ma'am.
5, right? Opposite sides are equal because this one is a rectangle. This one is a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. So if this is 5, this also will be 5. How much is this in the middle? Here, this one is 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And this one is not given. This is not given. This is not given. So tell me, how much should that be? The total should be 5.
Ma'am,
Then how much is,
I know,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah,
I think for two of them, one will come, ma'am.
yeah, correct. Each of it will be 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter because the total should be 5. We have 3 here. Now see, there are 3 portions here. On the opposite, see, here we have only one line segment, which is 5 centimeters. The opposite side, it's divided into 3 portions. So this middle portion is 3 centimeters. We have a portion here and a portion here. And what is remaining is 2. From 5, 3 is gone. So we have only 2 with us. So 2 should be shared equally, 1 and 1. So that makes it 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5. So opposite sides are equal now. So when 3 is marked like this, children, when 3 is marked like this, it means this full thing is 3. Don't get confused. When 3 is marked like this, see, we have divided the figure like this. See, 3 is marked here. From here to here is 3. 1 is marked here. So from here to here, it is 1. 3 is marked here. So that means only from here to here is 3. From here to here, it's 2. This one is 1. And this full length is 5. Remember, this 3 is the full, this 3 is this full thing is 3. This full thing is 3. Okay, let me take out this. This full thing is 5. This full thing is 5. This one is 3. This one is 3. This full thing is 2. Now we have divided like this. We have rectangle 3, 1 and 2 here. So now for rectangle 3, you know the length is 5 centimeters. The length is here 5 centimeters. What is the breadth? What is the breadth? Now the full height is 3 centimeters. See here, this full height is 3 centimeters because here it's given 3. This full height is 3 centimeters. Okay, now what is the height from here to here? 2, because you can see here 2. This is 2, so this also will be 2. This height, this one is 2. This one is 2. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So this also will be 2. This also will be 2. But the total height is 3. So this one will be 1. This one is 2. So this one is also 2. This is also 2. Opposite sides are equal. But we know that the full height is 3. It's given here. See here, this full thing is 3 is given. So we know that this full thing is 3. So in 3, this portion is 2. This portion is 2. This portion is 2. So the remaining portion, this one will be 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So this one is 1. So for rectangle 3, the length is 5 centimeters and the breadth is 1 centimeter. For rectangle 1, the length is 1 centimeter and the breadth is 2 centimeters because this is 2, no? This is 2, so this also is 2. The length is 2 centimeters. So for rectangle 1, the length is 1 centimeter, the breadth is 2 centimeters. For rectangle 2, length is 1 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeters. For rectangle 3, the length is 5 centimeters and the breadth is 1 centimeter. I'll write out this, children. With practice, you will become better. Don't worry. You will understand this slowly. So now you've got the idea. That's important. Yes, Deepti, what is the length of region 1?
Ma'am, 3 centimeters.
Length of region 1?
Length of region 1 is 2 centimeters.
Tanya, what is the length of region 1?
Ma'am, 2.
Oh, I think you're okay, fine. Deepti, what are the length? Tell me the dimensions of region 1, length and breadth.
It's 3 and 1.
3 and 1, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tanya?
2 and 1.
Okay, so Tanya says 2 and 1. Ovia?
Ma'am, I think it is 2 and 1, ma'am.
Yeah, 2 and 1 is correct. Because 3 is this full thing. This full thing is 3. This full thing is 3. This is 2. This is 2. So here also, this also, see, these are two identical figures, no? 1 and 2 are identical. So this is 2. So this also will be 2 only. And the length is 1. So length is 1 centimeter. Breadth is 2 centimeter. Similarly, for region 2, length is 1 centimeter. Breadth is 2 centimeter. What about for region 3, children? Length and breadth of region 3?
Ma'am, I think the answer is 3 and 5.
No.
Ma'am, 1 and 5, ma'am.
1 and 5,
1
ma'am.
and 5. Okay, 1 and 5. What about Deepthi?
Ma'am, I think it's 1 and 5.
1 and 5. Yes, 1 and 5. That is the length is 5 centimeters and the breadth is 1 centimeter. Because for this is rectangle 3. Let me go around the perimeter of rectangle 3. See, this is perimeter. Sorry, this is rectangle 3. This is rectangle 3. This one. And the length is directly given here, 5 centimeters. This length is 5 centimeters is directly given. Now we need to find this breadth. This one we have to find. This one we know is 2 centimeters. This is 2 centimeters. We know because opposite sides are equal. And here it is given that the full length is 3 centimeters. It's given that the full length is 3 centimeters. So on the opposite side also this full length should be 3. But here it's 2. So this remaining should be 1 centimeter. So that gives us breadth 1 centimeter. Now the area 1 into 2, 2 centimeters square. 1 into 2, 2 centimeters square. So the total area is equal to 5 plus 2 plus 2, 9 centimeters square. Yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am, I said the answer.
You got the answer, Tanya?
Completed, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah.
Ma'am, I got
Yeah.
the
Write
same
down.
answer.
Very good. Write down, children.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. How come I just started writing? How did you finish it so fast? Are you writing over here?
Ma'am?
No, you did not write this answer. I'm very sure.
Ma'am? What, ma'am?
Over here, did you write down this answer in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
How come so fast? I finished it only now, no? How did you finish it so fast?
Ma'am, now only I wrote, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second. I'm just getting a call, children. 1 second.
Yes.
Children, please write down the answer. You must write what you see on your screen. The table, exactly what you see on the screen, children. Yeah.
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Deepthi and Ovia finished writing. Tanya has finished.
Ma'am,
What about others?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Done writing?
I'm just in the total area of the figure. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So I want you to complete. Oh, children, I told you that you remind me about after I finished ANB. Okay, I'll share the answers, children, because even I want you to know the answers on time. I'll share the answers to that yellow assignment, area. You have to find the length and breadth. Yeah, the columns, area, length, breadth, and perimeter. Yes, children. I'm so sorry. Yeah, this itself took this long actually. Okay, I'll try to share the answers for them, children. You can have a look and, I'm sure you will understand them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so here I'll just tell you how, we'll just discuss the answers. I want you to complete these as homework. So here you can maybe complete the, rectangles like this. So you'll have this region 1 and this region 2 like this. Or you can even complete it like this. Then this is one rectangle till here, and this is the other rectangle. So that will be your choice. Is that fine, children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is
So you
homework.
can, yeah, homework, yes.
Yes.
So you can
Ma'am,
either divide.
Ma'am, you'll be sending it in like as an assignment, or are we supposed to note it down?
No, I'll send the photo in the group.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send this photo now in the group. Okay. So you can either divide it like this. So there'll be 1, 2 rectangles, or you can do it like this. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, children, see this 12. What is 12? From here to here. This is 12, children. And 10 is from here to here. 8 is from here to here. This is 8. This is 2. This full thing is 10. This full thing is 10. This is 12. This is 2. This is 10. Here you can divide. You can join this. So like that you'll have 1. I think this is a square, 2 rectangle, and 3 square. Is that understood, children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can also divide it by like all the 4 sides are squares and the middle is also a square.
Yeah, that's also fine. Or you can divide it like this. See here, like this. 1, 2, and 3, like this. Or like Deepthi said, you can just, yeah. So now this is a square 1. This is region 1. This is region 2. This is region 3. This is region 4. And this is region 5. This is also fine. You can do it like this also. All right. Do it in different ways, children. Try to do it in 2, 3 ways, and you will be happy to see that you're getting the same answer. Okay, so you can try to do this. Like we can do this in Deepti's method. So she said, divide this into 5 squares, no? 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. So do it like this, and also do it in one other method. Like you can either join like this, or like I told you, like this. So please work it in at least 2 methods. So you'll be, like you'll become more confident, and you'll also be happy to see yourself getting the same answer in both the cases. Here also work both the methods. Join like this and work, join like this and work. So 2 methods for each. 2 methods for this one, 2 methods for this one. And the last one, you can just join this like this, join it like this. So you have one rectangle here and one rectangle here. Or you can join it like this also. See here, you can join like this. You can join like this. Then you will have one rectangle here. You will have another rectangle here and another rectangle here like this. Am I right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So please try all this. You should present your answer in the form of a table like this only, children. You must present your answer like this in the form of a table. Now, don't worry if it's a square also. Even if it is even if it is a square, you can write area is equal to L into B. Don't worry about that. You will get the same answer. Side into side is the same as L into B. Side into side is like 3 into 3. L into B also will be 3 into 3. So you'll get the same answer. Don't think if you find the area of the square using the formula L into B, you're going to get a different answer. No. You can find the area of the square using the formula L into B also. I'm not confusing you. Just take it from me now. You can also do it like that. Okay. Please present your answer like this in the form of a table. And so when you're doing it in two methods, you must show the figure. For this table, what is the figure? For the second table, what is the figure? Like, how have you used the line segments? How have you divided the whole figure into rectangles? That you should show. So work A, B, C in two different ways. Find the areas in two different ways. All right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, for each one, we have to do it in two different ways.
Yes.
Ma'am, so after we write the question, we can write A first way and then A the second way.
Yeah, method one. Yeah, method one. A, draw the figure. Method one. Finish that answer. Then again, A, draw the figure. Method two.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for questions like, ma'am, what if for some questions there is only one way to do, ma'am?
But for the figures I have given you, there are two ways. There may
Okay,
be
ma'am.
figures where there's only one way. Yeah, yeah. There may be some figures where there's only one way. In the exam, you will not be asked to do this in two ways. We are doing it in two different ways just to understand better.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. So as you said, there might be some figures where we cannot join it in two different ways. There'll be only one way. Okay. Here we can do the answer. We can work the answer in two different ways for all these figures. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I've shared the questions already. All right, Tanya, Ovia, and Deepti, that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, children. Yeah, thank you. Good day to you too. Good day to all of you. Thank you, children.